How can you access the recordings from your Hopin conference? Well, there's a new feature called Hopin Replay that allows you to do this. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access that in a few minutes. Let's tech enhance your primary care and learning. I'm Dr. Gandalf of EGP Learning, and basically we're going to show you how to use Hopin Replay in this episode. Once you've attended a conference, you will be able to then get an email from your organizers once they switched on the replay function, and this will allow you to watch recordings for a defined set of time up to about a year, depending on what your conference organizers have set. In order to do so, as I said, you need the email from them. Once you get it, click on the link and you get something that looks a little bit like this. So this is our GP5T2 conference that we had. And as you can see, there's the link just here. Click on watch recordings, and by doing so, you'll be taken straight to a screen that kind of looks like this, or it may take you straight to the replay function that you can see here on the left-hand side that will then show you the recordings for the event, as you can see here. Now, this does require the conference organizers to switch it on for you, and for some events, you may even be able to access these replays during the event. They tend to be the much longer ones, the ones that run over a few days and that kind of stuff. In order to watch the recordings, it really is as simple as clicking on it. So if we have a look at the plenary video, as you can see here, it's now loading up, and this is the plenary video that you'll be able to watch from our GP5T2 conference. Additionally, if there's extra information they've given to you, you'll be able to access this, like links and stuff, or resources, or information about the session itself. As you can see on the right, you've got the event chat. This is the event chat, so not the chat from the stage or the sessions themselves. So you won't get all the information on the replay, but you'll get most of it. Probably the reason why to attend live so much more effectively. Additionally, you'll get the announcements that you can see here. So this is one from ours as we finished off the conference that basically asks you to fill in the feedback form that you can see here. So really helpful if you do that from our perspective as a conference, because it tells us more about what you've been finding. And that is basically how you access the replay content from a Hopin conference. If you found this video useful, leave us a like. Alternatively, if you want to check out how to use Hopin more effectively as a platform, check out this video right here. Alternatively, I'm sure YouTube's showing you another video right here. And as always, we're here to help tech enhance your primary care and learning. And I'll catch you in the next episode.